Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the game and getting to the in-game settings right away. Once done, make sure you are signed into the same account you normally use. You won't waste time. Press ESC or tap the menu icon, then navigate directly to Controls or Accessibility. That's where Roblox lists input sources. You need to find the gamepad or Xbox input toggle. Keep the menu open, because the next step is to change that setting to stop Xbox mode immediately. Now you change the input mode to keyboard and mouse, and here's how and why. Locate gamepad, controller, or Xbox input in the controls section, then switch it to keyboard and mouse or toggle gamepad off. This forces Roblox to stop showing Xbox prompts and to use mouse/keyboard controls. It's the only in-game toggle that reliably flips input behavior. After switching, apply or confirm the change. Some games update immediately. Finish by leaving the session and restarting Roblox so the change persists across titles. Once relaunched, check controls in another game to confirm Xbox mode is gone. If prompts still appear, make sure any Xbox controller is unplugged or Bluetooth disconnected, then clear Roblox cache or sign out and back in. As a last resort, reinstall the app. That fixes stubborn saving issues. If it still fails, verify you changed the in-game control toggle. That single switch is the key step.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.